Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. You can call me Lo. If you're not new, welcome back, girl. Today we are doing a quick hair reset with LUVME Hair. Baby, this one is perfect for the girls who go to the gym like myself, who don't like to deal with their hair all the time, and who absolutely doesn't care for sitting in someone's chair. LUVME Hair sent me 20 inches of their Burmese Curly Feather Crochet Hair. I'm going to show y'all how I installed it, how the hair feels, and how it came together with this no leave out crochet look. So I'm starting off, of course, putting the crochet hook through my cornrows, y'all, and not too much on the cornrows because that doesn't even matter. It's what comes out on the end that matters. I just pull one side through for the first one because I want the front of my hair to look thin, not in a bad way, but not too bulky like, you know, the old school crochet look. So that's why you see me not tying it into a knot. But when I get into the next one, it's going to be a little bit more detail, closer for you, so you can fully see what I'm doing. So I'm putting the crochet hook through my hair. I'm putting the little hook piece down. I'm putting the crochet hair through the hook, closing it, and then pulling it through. This time, I'm going to open up the hole that the crochet hook made and then put the hair through and then pull it all the way through. It's not tight. It's not loose. It's honestly perfect. It feels like there's nothing on my head. I'm going to go ahead and repeat that process again. And then I'm going to, of course, do it throughout my full head. So my first impression of the hair, it's really soft. Like as soon as I took it out, I could tell that it had that lightweight, fluffy, curly look without feeling heavy. The curls are super full, but they still have tons of movement, which I really like because I don't like crochet hair that looks too stiff, or honestly hair that looks too perfect. Like I'm the type to wake up, shake and go, and it still looks good and looks natural. For this style, I did use about 3.5 packs of the 20-inch Burmese Curly Crochet Hair. I did want it to be full, but I didn't want it too bulky and uncomfortable. Like the length that they gave me is really pretty. It's perfect because it does give the volume. It definitely gives glam if you wanted to get to that point, and it gives everyday wear. As you can see, my hair is not tight at all. Like it literally feels like I'm not putting anything on my head. It's just super, super, super lightweight, which I love. So at this point, I have basically both sides of my head done and the perimeter. Again, not too much on my braids, y'all. I'm not a cornrower. I'm just a DIY type chick. So as long as I can get the foundation down, everything else is a go. But as you can see, y'all, this is one bundle of the hair. And now this is about 2.5 bundles. And I have about 4 or 5 cornrows left to go. But do you see how full the hair is? This is after I washed the hair and let it air dry, and then I started to install it. Now you can see how full and beautiful the hair is. And I love how it already has that layered look, and it's every single bundle was 20 inches. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start styling the hair. I have some products from Garnier Fructis that I've been wanting to use, and I think this would be the perfect time to pick it up and use it now on this type of hair. Like I said, it is super lightweight. It is super fluffy. It's so soft. I honestly felt like detangling the hair was so fast and so easy. I just went ahead and wet it fully down and made sure I got this side super saturated before I added my product. Now, do y'all see those curls? Like, the hair is gorgeous. The ends, I did trim some because I don't really care for thin ends. I'm not saying that they were thin as in terrible, but as in, you know how the hair just, you know, goes from thick to thinner or whatever case may be. I just wanted it to be well-rounded. Of course, cut it to where, you know, it shapes my face. But again, the hair wet and the hair dry is just beautiful together. Like I said, I went in with the Garnier Fructis. This is their curl mousse. It smells so good. I really love it for this hair. It is perfect. This product does not make the hair feel stiff or hard or anything like that. I honestly still have this product in my hair, and it's been about a week since I've had my hair done. It is really, really nice. I love Garnier Fructis for any type of curly type of bundles that I have. And yeah, it works really, really well with this LUVME Curly Burmese Crochet Hair. It's perfect. And I'm telling y'all, my hair feels so light. It just made the curls pop so much more. And yeah, I just love how my hair feels. Really made me wanted to start doing crochet hair, y'all, is because I don't like to have leave out. I love my hair. I'm starting to love it more, and I'm starting to do natural styles, but I wanted this to be a no leave out look because sometimes I just want my real hair tucked away. Like, I don't want to have to blend it. I didn't want to have to use, a flat iron. I am not trying to force my hair to cooperate, especially since I love to work out and I'm going to sweat. So this style is protective and it lets me just get up and go, especially as a mom. Like, I don't got time for all that. So after installing the hair, I shaped it up a little bit. I used the diffuser to dry my hair some, and now I'm just using a comb to fluff up my hair. I could not find where my pick was, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to make the part a little bit messy so it doesn't fully look crocheted in. But yeah, y'all, this is it. So if you've been thinking about crocheting your hair or need a quick style or still something that gives it cute polisher, definitely check out LUVME Hair's 20-inch Burmese Curly Feather Crochet Hair. I'll leave the details in the description box so you can check it out. And y'all already know, appointments may be rescheduled, life may be get busy, but hair still has to get done. So thank you so much, LUVME Hair, for sending this over. Thank y'all for watching, and let me know in the comments if you would try this no leave out crochet look. I'll see y'all in my next video.